morning, and a very warm welcome to all our new clients. We are delighted to have you join us today for our year-end webinar, a special event designed specifically to provide you with the valuable resources, expert insights, and practical tips to help ensure a smooth and successful first year-end with Dominion Payroll. Whether you're navigating the process for the first time or simply looking for a refresher on key highlights, this session will offer you everything you need to feel confident and prepared. My name is Caitlin Sidlarchek, and I'm one of the dedicated learning and development team members here at Dominion Payroll. As we move through the presentation, if you have any questions, you are welcome to enter them in the Q&A section of this webinar platform. My team is online ready to answer any of your questions. If your questions require more investigation and we do not have the time to address it, we will be sure to reach out to you after this presentation. We're excited to guide you through the important milestone, answer your questions, and equip you with knowledge and tools necessary to close out the year effectively and efficiently. Let's dive in. To kick things off, we would like to draw your attention to several essential resources designed to assist you in navigating your year-end preparation with confidence and ease. As you begin this process, be sure to visit our resource page at support.dominionpayroll.com. This page serves as a comprehensive one-stop shop for all your questions related to general payroll and HR functions, iSolve software, benefits administration, and tax requirements. Whether you're looking for guidance or processing year-end payroll, managing employee benefits, or handling tax filings, you'll find valuable information and answers to frequently asked questions right at your fingertips. Additionally, we have crafted the 2024 year-end specific resources for you to utilize at your convenience. We have created a year-end guide, a detailed and comprehensive packet designed to help you stay on track. This guide includes important dates, deadlines, and actionable steps to ensure you meet all necessary requirements well ahead of time, avoiding any last-minute surprises or missed deadlines. By following this guide, you can streamline your year-end tasks and maintain compliance with critical regulatory deadlines. To further support you, we have prepared a series of in-depth videos featuring insights from our tax, benefits, and client services team. These videos provide a deep dive into everything you need to consider as we approach year-end. Each video is tailored to give you expert advice, practical tips, and clear instructions, making it easier than ever to successfully close out the year. Let's dive into some best practices and a little bit of housekeeping to help you get ahead of year-end prep. First up, auditing employee profiles. Why is this important? Simply put, accurate employee information helps ensure that all year-end forms, like W-2s, are correct, which can save you the headache of making adjustments after the year closes. Here are a few key details to double check. Employee names. Are they spelled correctly? Social security numbers. Are they accurate? Addresses. Is the full address, including city and zip code, up to date? We recommend asking your employees to log into their self-service accounts and review their personal information. This way they can make any necessary updates before W-2s are issued, avoiding delays and ensuring everything is spot on. Next, let's talk about your company information. It's just as important to make sure the address we have on file is current, especially since this is where W-2s will be sent. Also take a moment to review and confirm your list of authorized contacts, those individuals we can speak to on your company's behalf. If there have been any changes, reach out to our client services team to update those details. Lastly, don't forget to review your 2025 payroll schedule. Staying on top of upcoming pay dates and help you plan ahead to keep everything running smoothly as we head into the new year. If you need any help along the way, our team is here for you. Just let us know. Now that your employees have reviewed their own information in their self-service accounts, it's time for you, as the administrator, to double-check everything to ensure accuracy and completeness. Taking a few extra moments to review your employees' W-2s before they're finalized can save you significant time, effort, and stress later on. This will allow you to spot check employee names, addresses, amounts by box number, and W-2 indicators for retirement plan, statutory employee status, and third-party sick pay, and more. Now let's walk through how to verify W-2s in iSolved. Go to the reporting section, select Client Reports. In the search bar, type Employee W-2 Preview. Once you find it, select Employee W-2 Preview and generate the report right here. Remember, it's important to make any necessary updates before the W-2 deadline on January 6, 2025. This ensures your employees receive accurate W-2s on time and helps you avoid any last-minute issues. We'd love to take a moment to highly encourage all our clients to promote paperless W-2s for their employees. Going paperless is a win-win for everyone. It not only helps to reduce paper waste, which is good for the environment, but also minimizes the hassle of dealing with lost or misplaced forms. Plus, electronic W-2s are far more convenient and efficient for employees, allowing them to access their forms quickly and securely through their self-service accounts. No more waiting for the mail or worrying about forms getting lost in transit. With electronic delivery, employees can view, download, and even print their W-2s at their convenience, often weeks faster than receiving a paper form. To make sure everyone is set up for paperless delivery, or to simply confirm their elections, you can easily check employee consented status by navigating to Employee Admin Tools, Employee Analytics, Electronic Elections, in iSolved. Employees can activate their consent directly from their self-service profile, making the process simple and user-friendly, which we will go over on the next slide. If an employee needs a little extra help or prefers you to handle it for them, no problem. As the administrator, you can update their consent status by entering a date under the electronic consent section on the employee general page in iSolved. Just be sure to get their permission first. Let's take a look at how employees can update their W-2 delivery preferences on their own. When they log into their employee self-service account in iSolved, they will select their profile photo in the top right-hand corner, right here. They will then navigate to the User Preferences option and select Consent to Electronic Delivery on tax forms. Once they select this option, they will review the legal disclosure, after which they can select Accept or Do Not Accept Electronic Delivery. If they accept, they will receive the W-2 electronically. If they do not accept, the W-2 will be printed and mailed to you, the employer. Again, we highly recommend having employees accept this electronic consent. Switching to paperless W-2s is a small change that can make a big difference in streamlining year-end processes and keeping things running smoothly for both you and your team. Let's take a moment to talk about bonuses and fringe benefits, two common year-end perks that many businesses offer to their employees. If you're planning to issue a bonus this season, it's important to coordinate with our client services team to ensure everything is processed smoothly and according to your preferences. Simply reach out to our team at customerservice@dominionpayroll.com and we'll provide you with a bonus run checklist. This checklist will provide us with your preferences for processing these payments. Bonus payroll runs frequently end up being what we call a high liability payroll, where the federal tax liability amount is $100,000 or more, or the total amount being debited on the payroll is $500,000 or greater. We ask that you reach out to us as soon as you're aware if you're going to make a larger than normal payroll, even if it could be weeks away. Our team will need to determine if you need to provide a proof of funding for that upcoming transaction. So again, we want to coordinate this with you well in advance to make sure this goes as smoothly as possible. When it comes to fringe benefits, the IRS defines them as a form of pay for the performance of services. We use this term as a catch-all to refer to many different types of non-cash compensation items, many of which are reported as a lump sum at the end of the calendar year. Examples of these are group term life, third-party payment, tuition assistance, moving expenses, insurance premiums paid by the employer, personal use of company car, gift cards, etc. Please reach out to our client services team to make us aware of any fringe benefits, and we will send you a questionnaire to make sure we capture all the information we need to get these processed. What is a tax agency account number? This is a unique identifier assigned to your business by the federal, state, or local tax authority. This number will link your business to the tax agency and is used for tracking and managing tax-related responsibilities, such as withholdings, reportings, and paying taxes. There could be some significant hurdles and potential fines for not reporting all your tax agency account numbers. This is a great opportunity to verify that you will have all of your account numbers reported. You can use the exceptions report to determine if they are missing any tax account numbers. You will go to Reporting, Client Reports, then search your Year-End Exceptions report. Once the report is generated, you can view the missing tax IDs. We have done our best to provide as many links to the agencies at dominionpayroll.com/forms. Once you have these agency numbers or any questions, you can send a note to tax@dominionpayroll.com. Speaking of our wonderful tax team, we have an important reminder for you. Around this time of year, many businesses begin receiving unemployment rate notices for their state agencies. These notices contain updated unemployment insurance tax rates that will apply to your business for the upcoming year. It's critical to view these notices carefully and, most importantly, share them with us as soon as possible. Why is this important? Unlike your tax updates, state agencies typically do not notify us directly of changes to your unemployment tax rate. This means that unless you provide us with a copy of your updated rate notice, we won't know that your rate has changed. To ensure your unemployment taxes are calculated correctly from the start, we kindly ask that you send a copy of your unemployment rate notice to our Dominion Payroll tax team at tax@dominionpayroll.com as soon as you receive it. As a quick reminder, we have videos on our page for all of your benefit and ACA related year-end updates. However, we wanted to share a quick update for anyone who uses our benefit services. The first reminder is that your benefit plan renews January 1st. Please keep an eye out of our emails for your DP benefit specialist. The first reminder is that your benefit plan renews January 1st. Please keep an eye out of your emails from your DP benefit specialist. Your year end is a busy time for everyone, so we want to make sure things are updated timely so that we can have time to review. We want to avoid receiving new rates and enrollments the day you're supposed to process payroll. For our ACA clients, we will send out emails during December outlining the ACA process. We highly encourage you to read through the emails in their entirety and review the attachments so you know what to expect from January to April. Employers will be asked to review and approve their ACA forms between January 1st and February 3rd. There are strict IRS deadlines that must be followed for ACA, and therefore, if forms are not received and approved within that time frame, then we cannot guarantee that the IRS deadlines will be met. As we wrap up, I wanted to share the screen one more time for you to share this link to your comprehensive year-end resources. We'll be able to review these pre-recorded sessions and download your year-end guide that has all important dates and year-end checklist. If our team was unable to answer your questions today in the chat, we will be sure to follow up with those answers after the session is over. We know we covered a lot of ground today, and there's even more detail in the year-end videos and guides, but don't let this overwhelm you. We are here to help and assist. Here's your direct contact information for each of our service hubs. However, if you reach out to our headquarters at customerservice@dominionpayroll.com, your request will be directed to your local service team. Thank you very much for joining us today as we cover some of the highlights for mastering your first year-end with Dominion Payroll. We hope that everyone has a wonderful holiday season and a seamless year-end. But either way, we are here to support you however we can. Have a wonderful day. Thank you all.